Alkaline. I see Alkaline perform over Barbados over there. So. Go on great. I'm not telling no lie. Big up Alkaline performance. Performance go on good. I tell you.
A few moments later.
I wanted to be the king of dancehall. I'm the king of dancehall. I'm the king of dancehall. Do you think it created too much of a?
We are all kings in the dancehall.
Yeah.
We're all kings in the hip hop. We're all kings in R&B. You know, the Father himself said, you know, you're all gods, but you shall die like men.
2,000 years later.
Hold up and look who I ran into.
Outside.
What's going on?
One eternity later.
As I said, Alkaline do a song named Decking, and then jump up and say Alkaline, Alkaline to go deck. You fucking idiot. I'm gonna live better than you. You said to go decking. Eh? I beg you, lion, and beg.
I'm tired for telling you, people. Call it what you will. Like it if you want. There is no Gaza without Gully.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People walk on. You don't know one Media Fox on the app, you know. Yeah man, you know a thing set. What me say? One Media Fox on the app. You understand? Yeah man, you know a thing set. Make some go guy recognize. You see it? Yeah man. So people, you don't know Elder Skip matter about the Barbados show. You understand? Yeah man. I think him see me thing there over TikTok. You see me? People me over TikTok, you know. You don't know Media Fox over there, so you don't know you can tune in. I think him see one video I post with Alkaline and you know, when him sing the girl good song to mash up over Barbados, so him see it and say, yo, Media Fox, I will do one video with it, you know. You see me, so alright, I say, alright, see video, yeah. You see it?
Right now. Yeah. Alkaline. I see Alkaline perform over Barbados over there. So. Go on great. I'm not telling no lie. Big up Alkaline performance. Performance go on good. I tell you, I give credit, you know. I give credit when credit is due. So don't think me hate to the artist, Bridget. Don't hate to the artist. If your artist do good, me I come tell you no. But Alkaline perform good over Barbados. Yeah man. When I time I see Alkaline I jump up, I say, Bumba Black. Vendetta boss I jump. You know what I say? Vendetta boss I jump up and down. Yeah man. You know what I say? In fans them love it. I mean looking at the crowd, you know, me see the fans them are going with them things and me I say, alright. Vendetta boss doing thing. Yeah man. Vendetta boss performance over Barbados. Great performance. I am just telling the truth. I am not gonna tell a lie. You see me I say? Yeah man, ima.
But remember you found out with you with both Skillbang and Alkaline, you know. And both Skillbang surpassed Alkaline and one bag of thing, you know. And no, me never hear talk about no Skillbang performance, you know. Me see Skillbang performance. I think them say UBS Arena where they play skanky, nobody now sing nothing on the man on the stage. Me I fear wonder. You understand? So it proved to you now, I guess, in your right side. I don't know Skillbang no reach Alkaline level yet, G. Skillbang are just like a more commercial artist. You understand? You don't know the label and, you know, advertise him to certain level and every little thing, but him need some more time to catch up, me G. You understand? Yeah, but a good artist, you see me, a good artist same way. Man do him thing. You see me? Yeah, man.
I catch on. You might catch on. You might angle him thing. You might angle him thing. You know what I said? It was a good performance. I did like it. Yeah, I like if you're antisocial man, it never seems so antisocial on the stage. You get what I say? Yeah, it never seems so antisocial on the stage. But like did you want to
I don't understand these people. How an artist be antisocial on a stage? I don't know. Tell me. Because if you're antisocial, you know, you're not going to perform for people. Eh? Some don't know how antisocial forward in on a stage. You understand this? We see Alkaline talk to the people. Them. The man say, yo, me can't cuss it, you know, so you want to cuss it. He might talk to them. That's an antisocial, me G. Some don't know what you mean by antisocial on stage. Alkaline perform for years. You see me? But yeah, man, Barbados shell down, man. You don't know weekend. You don't know Antigua Sunday, so it go loud. You see me? Yeah, man, and people, blessed Friday. You understand? I'll go get them paid today. We'll go buy KFC. You see me? Yeah. I'll go to a nice restaurant with them side chick or wifey. You understand? Yeah. Pick up on yourself same way. Life, you see me? Yeah. Life is riches. You see it? Mad thing.
The next generation of dancehall. Just preserve it. Preserve it. Preserve our rich culture, our rich heritage. It cannot be based on just keyboards and high frequency sounds. We have a cadence with our drums and our bass that we are drawing to at the hip. And did you think people got too caught up with titles? Because everybody at one point wanted to be the king of dancehall. I'm the king of dancehall. I'm the king of dancehall. Do you think it created too much of a... We're all kings in the dancehall. Yeah. We're all kings in the hip hop. We're all kings.
Yo, you see that king thing of dancehall, bro? Bro, the thing now no weight, my G. It now no weight, bro. Especially, it now no weight, brother. To be honest, this king thing is like some joke thing right now, bro. Wanna see it? You understand? Yeah, man. King thing a joke thing, brother. Joke thing right now, bro. You better you just want to be great. May I tell you that? Is it? Anybody can call himself king right now, bro. You see me? Anybody can call himself king, bro. You see me? Joke, you leave one away, dog. Leave one away right now. May I tell you that?
In R&B, you know, the father himself said, you know, you're all gods, but you shall die like men. So, I mean, this title, when I was growing up in my country, you used to see posters on the light post, on the light poles and posters on the wall. The crowning of early black, the crowning of this entertainer, the crowning, and these crownings were never something initiated by the individuals. It was always something initiated by the outside. Did you want the next generation of dancehall? Just factor. That is why the dancehall was so important. The dancehall chose who was king. Like Papa San, the dancehall said you are the fastest talker. Like Ninja Man, the dancehall said, okay, we're going to give you the 14 gun pan teeth. You know, like Yellow Man, the dancehall said, you are the king, King Yellow. Mm-hmm. You know, this is not something I man ever see myself gravitating towards, because I'm a servant, and you can't be two things, you know, and I want to serve my people. I don't want to be lord and king over them. A whole different thing I'm on the pan. Factor, that is why the dancehall was so important. The dancehall chose who was king. Like,
It's pulled up.
People, how would the CJ Milan pull up on the crux, the crocodile? One.
And look who I ran into.
outside.
What's going on?
I send a message to Nico Fire. With a Nico Fire let out a Bellevue, I'm a seek attention.
Big up Governor Bleach, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know a general. Yeah, man, mad thing.
This moment, the man a cuss out Vice Cartel and the Gaza. The next moment, he a cuss out massacre and the genocide. Guy want lion, he say massacre na broke bread. And massacre na again on lion, so he on the internet for lion. So you know, so them boy they love sweets, so them battery burn them. Nico Fire.
Yo, Governor Beach is easy. The man say the man loves sweets. Yo, bunny, yo, dog, man, tell the people, Jaja.
If you come off of the internet, Bridget, but when you know people don't say Nico Fire is a silent madman. The man a Quicksilver. Bridget, you say the man is big. The man mad. The man is a silent madman.
Yo, dog, man, I can't believe it. The like, man say man is big and Quicksilver to bomb. We go play with the people.
Take it from the Governor Beach. The man silent man. Nico Fire always take on that fuck with Triple X. He no better than Triple X. Right now, if cartel selling two lion, he do anything. You see me in a shirt say Gaza, I say. Alkaline do a song named Decade. And he jump up and say Alkaline. Alkaline for the deck. You fucking idiot. I'm gonna live better than you. You said for the Decade. Eh? I beg lion and beg blood clot popularity. I want to you, Nico Fire. Nico Fire, I want to you. I don't know you're sick with your head already. But just relax yourself and take your pill then, Bridget. Please, Nico Fire, take your pill then. Every day you get up, dip on vendetta. Bridget, take your pill then, Bridget. Take your pill. I see you in a shirt at Gaza, you say, after you that you're a genocide. You say, massacre now, broke no bread.
Beach, you know, say, boy, confused. He's a cloud chaser, you know, so anyway, cloud, if you chase him, I go chase it. You understand?
A massacre now, send a lion. A lion you want? You do everything for massacre pay attention and massacre don't pay you no attention. You do everything for Vice Cartel to pay attention and Vice Cartel not pay you no attention. Nobody see none from Alkaline because you not get none. You are blood clot madman if you take your pill then.
Take your pill, boy.
And the last time I tell you, Nico Fire. The last time I tell you, come come off of the internet and get yourself fixed up. You need to see the doctor, Virgin. Go on a beach and talk with him about that. Come off of the internet. And leave him that alone. You can't dip on people who better than you. You can't live on people who better than you, Virgin. Chill out yourself, Virgin. I want to see them on the Virgin. Eh? We have to go hide to make that poster. I hide to make that poster. I'm dip on the work. I'm want to make that poster. You say me, I have to go hide to do make that poster. You say me, I say, Nico, for you, stop it, Virgin. Come.
Yo, Governor Beach, you cross in the dog. You man that even could have work in peace. The man say, him have a thief a little time at work to bombard and go in one room, go touch. You go for your tool. Like, the man say, yo, man, I can't work. Yo, man, I've got this up. Yo, Jaja, yo, big up yourself, Beach.
Off of the internet. I'm going to get check up. You want to see the blood clot, mad doctor. I don't know where they let you out of Belfast.
I'm tired of telling you, people. Call it what you know will, like it if you know want. There is no Gaza without Gully. Me telling you all the while, Vibes Cartel need Mavado. I telling you that. It come like say, more time here, the Gaza fans them run out and feel say, oh, Gaza is superior in dancehall. There is no Gaza without the Gully. Remember good. It come like say, blind, to the music, Because when Vibes Cartel got prison, Mavado literally lose interest in the music.
I always tell people, say, these are two artists in a dancehall where bill each other, Me I tell you, remember say a Mavado makes Cartel start sing, I be Ukman, Tuman, Chungan, Chumunan. You understand? Yeah, no more sing about fever. You understand? If I never Mavado, I wouldn't sing about fever. You see it, and see it there now. After him do a bag of show last year, what left for him do? Where people are going to say, yeah, after them done see him already by himself. Him, Mavado. You understand? The two of them. You see me? Because remember, Remember say, at the clash, Bill, like make the Gully and the Gaza thing strong, See? Remember that, You understand? You have a Gully, but he never saw established until when the Gaza thing. You see me? So it was a trend thing we say, alright, what's a Gaza, what's a Gully? You see me? Yeah. So it build them thing. Cartel go prison. Mavado start go around Alkaline and bag a thing. MVP thing. They must say, yo, MVP thing, I'll go against the Gaza. Now the Gully and the Gaza back together, They must say nothing about say the Gully and the Gaza, they must say them are brother now. But me I try to show you, say I don't see hypocrite ways. But I saw it go. Vendetta always a vendetta still. Vendetta no try choose. You understand? Yeah, stands alone. Is it? Yeah, man. Alkali just rate a G. And him just say, yo, him just a do him thing. And been a do him thing. You understand? Mavado did that. Him never really put interest in the music like that. You understand? I see Mavado I do back a show at Jamaica with you last year and he cancel. Me never hear nobody talk about it. I say, yo, Mavado after 10 years. Me no hear nobody. You understand? But though them talk about the Gully and the Gaza now, with Mavado and Cartel. Remember, the same O2 arena where Gully and Gaza go in. Mavado did ever show in there, and he cancel, You understand? He cancel. But look at it now. The Gully and the Gaza with his Vice Cartel I go in a O2 arena. You understand? So I just saw a thing go me G. And if Mavado did say, yo, I'm not doing a Gully Gaza thing, Cartel wouldn't have that impact there right now when it comes to the shows and people that talk about it. So him need Mavado to make that happen. You understand? Because him have the upper edge based on the absence where nobody never does him for 13 years and him forward out no one do a bag of shows. But everybody see him already, so I'm going to go forward with something new now, something different. And him didn't need him need Mavado to do the Gully and the Gaza. I think him alone cannot do it. You understand?
You hear me say? When Vibes Cartel got prison, Mavado literally lose interest in the music. These two artists bounce off each other musically. When they are rivalry, them get a drive to want to go in the studio and do music. Because them a shoot after each other. So even now, Drew and Scatter and all of them know say, if you can't have a Gaza party in the shop, them try it already. Them try it already the first Sunfest when them a go so boom and a Crown Vice Cartel, them try it. Them realize say, you cannot have a Gaza without a Gully. You need Mavado. It's two way alone it can go. It's either Mavado and Vice Cartel a war, or Mavado and Vice Cartel go together. Because if Vice Cartel if do music and boy ma push this Gaza thing, and leave the Gaza clone and run out, it not go work. Nobody not go see uno. Nobody no business about uno. It have to involve Mavado. Uno realize, you know, as bad as things be bad for bad, you know. When Vice Cartel free up, Mavado get back interest in the music. When Vice Cartel free up, Mavado get back him interest in the music. I don't know if Mavado did preach. I say, what's the point? What's the point of doing this? My thing bill around Vice Cartel. Vice Cartel thing bill around Mavado. Them know so them need each other. That's why when you hear me come out and make you have to thank Mavado. Vice Cartel can't take on this on him own and make it happen. It's just not possible.
Yeah, man, I really think when Mavado think, yo, how much album we never know? One album alone, me know Mavado ever do in my whole entire career, you know, I think, you know. You understand? I think one album. I don't know about no EP. So it should. I'm an only dancehall artist, so me see, yo, them man, like, in a new generation thing, you know, Iman Cartel. Cartel was supposed to go on like, boy, what, 19 or 18 album already? And couple EP, I think. Mavado only have one. For sure, you. And most of Mavado songs them do when the Gully and the Gaza thing. And little after the Gully and the Gaza. Yeah. Most time songs them, like in a short space of time, around them time there, with Cartel and everything. After that, yeah, 1 and 2 and 3, so. He never did that do none. I when Big Guns drop. I not even know when if I have 2024 or what. You understand? But I think I maybe around when Cartel found out, him drop that song. Before that, him never did drop no song like that. You understand? And then him drop, him and Vice Cartel go up on the same rhythm. DJ Mac rhythm. So, I just one of them things then. Mavado put out song, you know, because he might get the attention based on Cartel and, you know? Yeah. So, and you don't know Alkaline at the mix. Call up him name it Alkaline and bag of things, so. Never did that do. Mavado we never in a conversation like that. Like around from 2020 forwarding up like we are mostly like 2024. Yeah. Around them time there. People start very. You understand?
Individually as an artist, them can do them song and way. But for the impact and the fan base, the only fan base them create is Gully and Gaza. Mavado did not create a Mavado fan base. Vice Cartel did not create a Vice Cartel fan base. It's a Gully and a Gaza fan base. And it worked simultaneously, hand in hand. I saw the ball game play. So right now, when you see it again for yourself, Vice Cartel knows if this work. And for me, continue to stay trending because, remember, me tell you already, Vice Cartel cannot continue to sold out arenas and venues just by the name of Vice Cartel. It cannot happen. The only reason for that happen was because of the prison hype. The prison hype are going to fade. So Vice Cartel go to the drawing board and realize, say, in order to keep the momentum here and keep the thing going, like some little show, like some little Caribbean island, me can go sell them off with the name Vice Cartel. But for any big show, me need Mavado and the only way to go possible.
Yeah, man, that's a facts, man. And I saw it go naturally like few years after I just saw it go. You understand? And a real thing because after Vice Cartel perform at Sunfest, you know, seeing? After him perform at Sunfest with the man Mavado, him go Guadeloupe the next day. But nobody not talk about it. Like what them talk about Sunfest. So it shows say, yo, Mavado did need. You understand? The Guadeloupe, nobody not really made it. Because I just him alone. You see me? Yeah, man.
To see it for yourself. Like it if you don't want, but the truth. Musically, Vice Cartel need Mavado help. 100,000,000%. And Mavado know say, Vice Cartel need it. That's why I'm offer them the help and I make some big money in the process. Nothing wrong with it because a source of greatness for dancehall. A source of greatness for dancehall. So nothing at all is wrong with it. But when me see Gaza fans are flip up and go on like a cartel like every man's strength and because a cartel this and because a cartel that. No. No Gaza without Gully. No Vice Cartel can't impact dancehall just by Vice Cartel. Him need Mavado. Whether they are going to be rivalry, or they are going to be brothers in music. And the hunger way it work. Remember when J Progress telling you that?
Yeah, man, a real thing, man, a real thing. Cause remember when Cartel did that drop him album with you, and Mavado depend it. It make a difference. People say, yo, years Mavado and Cartel na do a collaboration. I remember them I say, yo, Alkaline get this and bag of thing and ray. You understand? Cause Cartel alone could do the album. The only reason why them talk about it because of the collaboration them. Half of them album a collaboration. But what happened after? Him not getting a hit song after the album I know. No hit song. You understand? Right now, Vance Cartel I got put out a next album. Imagine soon. Just to show you. If this was really actually a success. You understand? I guess he won the 2 album before the Grammy nomination end by August 30 something. You understand? But I just one of them thing the people. You see me? Cause I guess me feel like him put out the album and him hear some people and say, yo, what this? God and time thing and race, say, I do a next one again. Cha-cha you, man. Tell the people. But people, big up on yourself. You see me? Respect for the support. You see it? You don't know one media fox pan up. Yeah, man. That is it.